Hey there, quick Webflow tip for those of you using Formly multi-step forms in your Webflow project. So if you clicked on this video, you might have encountered a situation where your submit button is not working for some reason. If the user was to click submit, it would just send them to the top of the page and the form would not submit. To illustrate this, check out my example. So I have a button that's gonna start the multi-step form. And if the user was to go through the flow, once they get to the submit button, it's going to send them to the top of the page and it's not going to submit data. So to explain why this is happening, let's first go back in Designer and let me show you how everything is structured. So here we are back in Designer, and you can see that all of my attributes are labeled. I have the data form step for each step of the form. I have all the attributes on the buttons. This one has data form next BTN. This one has data form back BTN. Data form next BTN. Data form back BTN. And then the submit has data form submit BTN. So you're probably wondering, why isn't it submitting? Well, the answer is actually in my page settings. So if I was to open up the page settings and look at my custom code, I'm also running a minified jQuery. If I was to remove this jQuery script, save, and then republish, I'll then go back to my page, open up the multi-step form, and I'll just simulate the flow, and then it submits. So there you go. Quick little solution if you're having issues with your Formly form. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.